Sturdy hairpins from Good Hair Days can be used to secure many updos and styles. But how can you be sure that you're going to get the secure hold and comfort that you desire? For our secure tips, I'm going to be referring to the hands of the clock, from the 1 o'clock position all the way around to the 12 o'clock position. For a strong hold with a hairpin, we recommend you insert it anywhere from the 3 o'clock position to the 9 o'clock position. A French twist can be secured through the 10 to 2 o'clock positions. A bun can be secured horizontally through the 9 to 3 o'clock positions. If you have used these hairpins from Good Hair Days, let us know what your favourite hairstyle is in the comments below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.